If you see a man who treats his mother like garbage, flee, run. Before we get into this video, I want you to take note. I'm talking about the real African men that were brought up in the African way. They were brought up with the mannerisms of Africans. You know what I'm saying? I'm not talking about this African tone white man. Yeah, you know. Alright guys, so I'm giving you good enough reasons in this video why you should be dating an African one. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dede, the mom, the boss. Did you miss me? I am sure you did. Valentine's Day is around the corner, and today we're going to be talking about dating an African guy. Dating or getting married to an African guy. Look, before you date or marry an African guy in this 2021, watch this video. I'm going to give you good reasons why you should date or marry an African guy. If you like this type of videos, please keep on watching, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So let's just jump right into the video. The first reason why you should date an African man, okay? African men are very, very God-fearing. The way we were raised, the way they were raised to fear God. Anybody who fears God fears to hurt a fly. They wouldn't want to hurt somebody. If you see an African man that is God-fearing, just get him. Because he is God-fearing, he knows not to hurt you. He knows to take care of you, because if you fear God, you know how to act godly. So African men were brought up to be very God-fearing. For that reason, they are very, very good people to date or get married to. Reason number 2. The next reason I will tell you is African men were brought up to be very hardworking. They shouldn't depend on women. They shouldn't depend on others to take care of their homes, to take care of their needs. African men have something I would call pride. That good pride, let me say so. Because nobody wants to be taken care of by another person. No African man wants to be taken care of by another person. So they work really, really hard for what they have. Like, they make sure that they put in work. An African man will go out of Africa and work about 3 jobs just because he wants to take care of his family, take care of his family back home. They know responsibility. They know to work hard and take care of their homes. These 2 reasons, they are very strong. The next reason I want to tell you is African men already in general love their moms so much. Because they love their moms, a man who loves his mother is going to respect you. Let me just tell you that. If you love and respect your mother, you're going to respect any other woman out there. Now, if you see a man who doesn't love his mother, run away. If you see a man who treats his mother like garbage, flee, run. A man who loves and respects his mother is going to love and respect you just the same. Okay? So don't start mingling with these men who bash their mothers like that. Okay? The next reason I'm going to tell you is African men are very, very responsible. Just like the second point, they would take it upon themselves. They don't work on this 50-50 matter in the house. No. They know their responsibility. They know that they are supposed to cater for the home, so they take care of the home. They know they are supposed to be the breadwinners. They know they are the ones to care and give you and protect you, and so they put in their all. They are not about this 50-50 lifestyle that I hear out here and people complaining here and they're fighting and going to council us. African men are not like that. No, they are not like that. So you have to date an African man in 2020. Oh, cool. The next point, which is my last point and not the least, African men love to eat. Let me tell you, they love good food. So you already know their secret. You know what I'm saying? African men love a very good food. Like, if you can cook or if you can get them good food, I don't care. I'm sure some of them don't even mind if you can cook or not, as long as they can have good food on their table every day. Whether it's house girl, whether it's wife, whether it's what, as long as it's good food, that is the road to an African man's stomach. So if you can get him some good food, I'm telling you, you got the key to an African man's heart. So I'm just telling you these 5 reasons I'm giving you. If you know these reasons and you see any of these reasons in an African man today who is talking to you, girl, grab him. It's Valentine's. Grab it while it lasts. Okay? If you like videos like this, please give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share. If you have any comments other than what I said, even commenting to what I said, please drop it down. Let's chat. Let's talk. Okay? Drop it down in the comment section. We're about to have fun in the comment section. Thank you and see you in our next video. Peace. I love you. Bye.